Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we're diving into one of the most breathtaking motorhomes of the year, the 2025 Prevost Luxurio. If you're a fan of high-end design, cutting-edge tech, and first-class comfort, this review is for you. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Prevost Luxurio is a head-turner. With its aerodynamic curves, signature LED light strip running across the front, and a mirror-finish chrome grille, this motorhome doesn't just drive, it dominates the road. Built on Prevost's legendary chassis, known for durability and smooth handling, the Luxurio glides effortlessly on highways, even at full capacity. Its panoramic windshield gives the driver a commanding view, and the side cameras replace traditional mirrors for a cleaner, high-tech look. Now step inside, and this is where the Luxurio earns its name. The cabin is more luxury penthouse than RV. Italian leather recliners, a marble-finished kitchen island, and walnut cabinetry make you feel like you're inside a five-star hotel suite on wheels. The ambient lighting system automatically adjusts based on time of day, creating the perfect mood, whether you're cruising at sunset or relaxing at midnight. The living area features a pop-out wall that expands the interior space dramatically. There's a 65-inch OLED smart TV, a Bose surround sound system, and a climate control system that senses your body temperature and adapts the room accordingly. The kitchen comes with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, and a hidden dishwasher, everything seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry. When it comes to the bedroom, Prevost didn't hold back. A king-size memory foam bed with smart posture adjustment, soundproof walls and blackout blinds ensure you sleep like royalty. There's also a walk-in closet and a private ensuite. Bathroom featuring a rainfall shower, a heated floor, and a smart mirror that gives you news, weather, or even Netflix while you get ready. But that's not all. The Luxurio is packed with smart features. Voice control for lights, temperature, and entertainment. Solar panels on the roof to support off-grid adventures. A digital command center that gives real-time updates on power, water, and maintenance status. And with integrated 5G connectivity, you can stay online anywhere, anytime. Driving this beauty is just as impressive. Powered by a turbo diesel engine that balances performance and efficiency, it delivers smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Thanks to its active suspension system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking make it one of the safest and smartest motorhomes on the road. So, who is the 2025 Prevost Luxurio for? It's for those who refuse to compromise, for travelers who want a mansion on wheels, for adventurers who want comfort without limits. Whether you're headed across the country or just escaping for the weekend, this motorhome delivers an experience that's pure luxury, front to back. That wraps up our review of the stunning 2025 Prevost Luxurio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more in-depth reviews of the world's most amazing vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.